That's not good. That's not good. Go with a hard no. That's not good.
I'm a professional, just put anything.
Need a little more oomph. Holy Jesus, who put that on? Tell me that is stripping. Jesus.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another one. You ever just ride around in your vehicle and you think, man, somebody should clean this thing? Well, my truck is in need of a cleaning, but more so, Jen's car is in need of a cleaning. So I scheduled, she didn't know about this until yesterday, I scheduled a cleaning at Tilbury Auto Shine right here in town. This business is run by a young man that started his own company and he's doing well. And we like to support local. So she's on her way here now to drop off her Durango. It's going to get the interior done. It's going to get washed. Don't know if it's going to get waxed, but it's going to get washed. And they're going to condition the leather seats. Where this young man does some amazing work, we're about to find out. I'm going to take some before and after shots of Jen's car as soon as she gets here. Normally we do that stuff ourselves, but we want to get the seats done. So it's best to have a professional do it because, I mean, I'm a professional. Ask me, I'll tell you. I'm a professional, just put anything. Jen might have a different story, but, you know, I like to think I am. Anyway, we're sitting here waiting for her. We're going to get some before and after shots when she gets here, and should look pretty good when she's done. We have arrived. We are at Tilbury Auto Shine. Just waiting for Jen to get here. So there's the back. It's not overly dirty, but it needs cleaning. It has been a couple days since we had the car cleaned. Let's have a quick look. We just went out and bought some new floor mats. She doesn't want to take the paper out. I don't know. It's okay. The seats all look really nice. Everything's nice and clean. It smells good. And look at here. Beautiful. Great job. Great job. I highly recommend Zach over at Tilbury Auto Shine. Excellent job. It was not that expensive either. He even got the clay bar wax. That's why it looks so good. I could not make it look this good even if I tried. Not a paid endorsement. A company that just did good quality work. Hard to find that nowadays.
All right, everything's jacked up. We got our safety stand. We got our jack stand under it. I'm going to tell you, Google lied. It said this was a 14 millimeter. It is not. It's a 13. I'll be right back. $13 it is. Holy Jesus, who put that on? That might have been me. Oh, I did not put that tight. There's not a chance. Ooh, here we go. Just need a little more oomph. Oh, don't tell me that is stripping. Come on. Who in the world did that? I'm gonna have to do something I don't want to do. Vice grips. So guys, vice grips are not recommended. I'm not sure why this is stripped. I've never used anything except a wrench or a socket. But it's stripped. it is stripped good. I think that's not doing it at all. You might be in a pickle here, folks. That's not good. That's not good. I'm telling you, it's not good. All right, here's the issue. Whoops, hang on, sorry. Even if I get this out, it ain't gonna go back in, and I don't have another one to put in, so I think I better order a drain plug. Then we'll work on getting this out. Have a look at this. Now, that's chewed up even more now because I've been prying on it with the vice grips, but it was chewed up a fair bit before. And I don't remember chewing it up when I put it in there or taking it out last time, but again, if I take it out, I don't have another one to put back in. So it might be best if I just do the oil change another day. Unless I can get one here for tomorrow, then we'll do it tomorrow. Either way, oil change incomplete.
It is the next day. Last night I went and got on the Jungle website and I needed a new drain plug. It's about to get dark. Hang on. There we go. So I was looking around, supposedly found a direct replacement drain plug, 2 of them for $7.99. Ordered it last night. It was here today. While I was at it, I went and bought an extra one for my Silverado. Do I need it? No, but for $7, and that one there I only got one. The other thing I did, I couldn't get that drain plug out with the vice grips I had. So these are the vice grips I was using. Well, made by Pittsburgh. I thought I got them at the dollar store, but it must have been Harbor Freight. But when you squeezed them tight, the jaws would separate, and just wasn't getting us anywhere. I went and I bought another pair of vice grips. It says original vice grip, made by Irwin. I was about to say no more of that Chinese crap, but you know, these are made in Taiwan. We're about to see if they're going to get that out of there.
All right, let's see if we can get this off now. Man, I hate using vice grips on bolts. You know, looking at closer inspection here, they may have sent me the wrong one. It's supposed to be a direct replacement, but I'm going to go with a hard no. Ooh, that was the dumbest thing I ever seen. Dumbest thing. Alright. Worst case scenario, we're going to have to put the old one back in. Don't want to, but we might have to. Okay, here we go. Terrible, terrible. Let's get out. We'll look at these two. I think it's going to be wrong. All right, let's have a look. Here's what happened. I just grabbed the wrong one. So, look at this.
That looks terrible. It looks like the rats chewed that one off real bad. So I thought this one was for the car, but it's not. That one's supposed to be for the Silverado. See how the O-ring is tight and inside a shroud, shall we call that? The one here, or the washer on the outside. So, I've just looked it up now. It's this one right here. That's the one that's supposed to fit. Right, Chubbs? Yeah, Chubbs or Sergio. Right, Sergio? Alright. Let me get this back together and I'll see when I get back up top. Got a pain in my behind. If you all need a drain plug for your 2016 Durango V6, that right there, that's it. 090-172-CD. And the wrench needed to tighten it is a 13 millimeter. Let's go get the oil filter out and then we'll fill her back up and we're just about done. The oil filter is right here, dead center of the engine. It's a 24 millimeter to get it out. I don't exactly have a socket. I'm gonna do this delicately. I don't have a long enough extension, but let's see if we can get this thing to go. It was in on a little bit of an angle from the looks of things. Jesus, that was tight. Why is everything so tight? Now this one here is a canister. I'll show you here in a second. It's about to come out. All right. No, it didn't come out with it. That's not good. There we go. There it is there. The part number from CarQuest is a 94010. You guys see that there? I usually put this on here like this. Hear it click. Now it's on there. Now it shouldn't fall off. Just get it put back down in there. It's in there. Just screw it down finger tight. I'll take the rest away with the ratchet. I gotta get myself an extension. This is a bit of a headache. Okay. We're tight. Can't believe this one fought me so bad. Get her filled up. I am using full synthetic.
Let's check the oil. Let's see what we got.
What's it say? Says I think we're good. Barely even got her done. Just put the oil cap on and away it goes. Oh, a satisfied customer.